Deb Bernacki from Happier at Home is with us this morning talking about using a reverse mortgage for seniors to pay for their in-home care. We've heard these ads, maybe you've seen them on TV. What is a reverse mortgage, Deb?
A reverse mortgage is when the lender is actually paying you. The regular mortgages you take out and you're paying to pay down on your home.
Right.
And after you get to be 62 or older, you have an option to look into a reverse mortgage.
Okay.
But it may not be for everyone.
Right.
So with a reverse mortgage, you're essentially, it's if you've already paid down a considerable amount on your house or you've paid it off as well, and you need to be able to still be residing in your home. But the reverse mortgage will work for some people who need some money to be able to either stay in their home. The home equity conversion mortgage is a government-sponsored mortgage.
Okay.
And it is something that will be through a third party, but it is approved by the government.
Okay. So is that a kind of reverse mortgage then, the home equity conversion mortgage?
Yes, it is. It's a type of reverse mortgage.
It has got protections in it, built in.
It does. It has protections, especially because they request and they require you meet with a counselor first. And then only after that do they give you a list of FHA approved lenders. So then at that point you're able to apply for those loans. But you know, when you're taking a loan out like this, then you're losing your assets essentially. So after you use this money, you may either your spouse, your heirs, once you either die or move out of the house, that has to be repaid.
Right.
So you really need to look into all the details because it can really help people to get through maybe a tough time. With this mortgage, you basically get it in a lump sum.
Right.
And there are other costs involved.
Nothing's for free, right, Deb? Like if it sounds too good to be true, maybe it is, right? You need to look at the fine print a little bit, but it does work for some people.
It does. And, you know, be aware of some of the lenders that are coming up with ideas for how you could spend the money. Like if they say, well, why don't you take this money out and invest in, you know, stocks right now? Just be very careful. And the expenses for a reverse mortgage can be rolled into this, but that's less money for you to be able to use also. There's origination fees that may be $2,000 to $6,000.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, there's there are several different types of fees, even through the lender, closing costs, if they have an appraisal or engineer inspections.
It's like a regular mortgage. Think about it. When you get a mortgage, you pay all those fees.
It really is.
You know, as part of your loan. So if someone's interested in even learning about this, should they talk to their financial planner or perhaps someone at the bank or one of the approved banks? How should they go about that?
I would start with looking at the government website or having someone help you look at the government website. I don't have the specific website, you know, off the top of my head.
But it's called a home equity conversion mortgage.
Yes.
It's an FHA program.
Yes, it is.
All right.
Yep. And well, it's a program that you need to. There are certain companies that are approved.
Gotcha.
Through FHA. So and start there because they have concise information on it, not a lot of hidden things. They really want to educate you on what this mortgage is all about, as opposed to trying to sell it to you and then you find out as you're closing all of the different expenses and actually what the ramifications could be.
Okay, and where can people find you? Where's your web address?
HappieratHome.com. And also our phone number is 633-5555.
Very easy. 5555.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Deb.
You're
really
welcome.
Good to talk to you. We always
Would love
appreciate
to help anyone.
Your good advice. Thank you.